Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick overview of how to sign up and what's in the back end. So you're going to want to scroll all the way down to the landing page here. Sorry it's so long. There's just a lot of information, a lot of things I want to share with people. Um, and you put your first name, your last name, email address. You're going to want to create your own username. And you can pay, it's actually the easiest to pay with PayPal because then you just, your email address is all you need. Although if you want to pay with Visa, MasterCard, you just click one of the buttons or American Express and then you put in all the information. Now, once you click submit form and you're enrolled, you're going to get a whole series of emails, like 3 or 4. Sorry about that. You'll see here, welcome to Easy Feldenkrais. You're going to see a thing that says Easy Feldenkrais username password. And the way I've set this up is you will have a link. It's loading right now, and you'll be able to click the link and then set your own password. That way you can have a password that's easy for you to remember. And then back up here, you'll see you'll get a quick session to get you started, and here's a welcome email. Once you've logged in, I want to show you the members area here. Got a short video here to help you kind of orient. Now you see here we have a Facebook group. So I'm going to click this and the Facebook group will open in another tab. Now I am already a member. What you're going to see when you click that link is a link to join. You'll need to give me your email address and your name so I can manually add you. And it's pretty cool, the group. You're going to see here all kinds of posts, all kinds of links, people asking questions. There's going to be a couple of videos. Like here you can see this is a session link that I've posted about a month ago, 2 weeks ago. And what happens if you're on the Facebook group, you just click the link and it opens. This session is based on Alexandria Nye, sinking the spine between... And you can hear it opens automatically. Now that's actually how a lot of people choose to do sessions. They go to the Facebook group and they, how can I say it? They navigate around to find sessions that they want to use. You're also going to get an email every 6 to 7 days, as I mentioned. Or if you want to, you just go to the members area. Okay, this is the members area, the private members area. And you can see here, there's an Easy Feldenkrais page. These are sessions that are about 30 minutes or less. Great place to start if you're a beginner, if you're in pain, or you want to ease back into doing Feldenkrais sessions. I have a page called Feldenkrais Shorts. You click this and you go to a page where there's all kinds of sessions that are 15 minutes or less. And Feldenkrais TMJ sessions. Many people are interested in Alexandria Nye sessions. These are the sessions that transcripts of the sessions, recordings of the sessions that Moshe taught in his studio on Alexandria Nye Street in Tel Aviv, Israel for many, many decades. And for those of you that want advanced session, there are a ton of Alexandria Nye sessions. So I will click this and you'll see here it's opening. And there's Alexander and Nye 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just it can be a little bit overwhelming, and that's why I send you an email with a session to click and try, or you go through here and start experimenting with sessions that you want to work with. If you have a question about a session, you either send me an email or you can leave a message on the Facebook group. That's preferred because then we get to have sort of a group conversation. Of course, let me just scroll down here. There's quite a few. You can also post a comment. So you would just say, here is a comment. You can ask me a question about anything you want on each page, and then I will get back to you. And scroll back up here. And I want to point out the members area, there's quite a bit. There's Easy Feldenkrais, sitting sessions, there's some pelvic floor sessions, there's TMJ, breathing sessions. The Alexandria Nye sessions that I just pointed out, there's Alexandria Nye on the side, sitting, standing. There are eye sessions, back pain sessions, you name it. And these are the sessions that are on the site now. I hesitate to say how many there are. It's 125, 130 something. It may sound crazy that I don't know how many are, but there are. But I add new sessions every week, and I think there's a couple of sessions that I've sent out via email that aren't on the site yet, and there's just a ton of information on there. Many new sessions and many coming after you join. Starting next year, I'll be releasing and recording some new sessions. So that's a tour. Let me know if you have any questions. You can leave a comment on the main sign-up page, or send me an email, or post a message on Facebook. Whatever you want to do, I will do my best to answer the questions. And I hope to see you in Easy Feldenkrais for all of 2020, for a month of 2021, and for the next few weeks or months or so that we have of 2019. All right, cheers.